remember, if I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create. So I have some goose internal organs, and I'm going to do something with them, but I'm not going to be boring. I had the geese, which practically is the stomach, um, liver, heart, the good stuff. But I'm not going to go boring. I'm going to cook this with some rice. And as I do that, the neck and some of the carcass of the goose, I'm doing a stock. Let's start with the geese. And this is huge. I had to cut it myself. So I'm going to open it in the middle carefully. 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 Let's see what we have here. Yep, I need to open it a little bit more. Yeah, I need to get this stuff out. What I call the thing with the little rocks. Let me open it here too. See? I want to get that stuff out. This is how they chew the thing. They don't have teeth. Birds don't have teeth. So they had to rely on their stomach to cut and chew and digest what they're eating. See? Want to cut some of the fat out. Here you have it. And you want to rinse it up a little bit too to get that little grainy stuff out. So see how beautiful, gigantic. So I'm going to put it aside. So I have about 15 minutes left. And I put the geysers in something like this so I don't have to fish them around. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to soften them up, okay? So let's get some of this organ and let's cut them. I'm going to start with the geysers, which I soften them. Oh, this is going to be delicious, baby. This is going to be delicious. Get it hard. You're going to get a lot of iron, protein, and all the good stuff. Do the same with the liver, okay? And this one, I'm not even going to cut much. I'm going to leave it alone. I'm just going to make it manageable with larger chunks, okay? Going to squeeze a little lemon, a little bit, not a lot, just a little bit. Medium high, some oil. Not a lot, just enough, okay? Let me put some salt on this. This oil smells delicious. Extra virgin olive oil, by the way. Let's put some salt. I'm going to be generous. Then the first thing I'm going to do, let's start adding these organs. This one too. mix it with the salt. Giving some nice colors, okay? Going to have a lot of meat. Do this for about 2-3 minutes, okay? Maybe 2 minutes. Now this part is optional. I just happen to have some pieces of goose from the other day. I'm going to add them now, but it's not required. Just adding a little bit of stuff here. They're already cooked. Heating it up a little bit. Look at the color of the organs. Nice. So what you're going to do now, let me spread this a little bit. Peas, green peas, lima beans. Add those vegetables. Artichoke. Just mix them up. Do this for about a minute, okay? Starting to mix everything together for now. What I'm going to do is add about 3 or 4 teeth of garlic minced. And you're going to do this for a few seconds because you don't want the garlic burn and make it bitter. Just a few seconds. Move things around. Oh my God, that smells so good. What I'm going to do now, got a tomato which I grated. Look at this color. Fresh. Tomato. Smoked paprika. Let me mix it up. Oh, it smells so good. Now I'm going to mix everything together. Get those flavors, colors, everything mixed together. Let it go for about a minute, okay? 1 cup of bombay rice. So I'm going to go with 3 cups of the goose stock. 3 cups. Listen, if you don't have stock, go with water. So I'm going to put 3 cups. Let me put the heat high. Move things around a little bit. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add the rice. And I like to start in the edges. Work my way in the middle. 1 cup. Let me distribute this baby. Make sure the meat is well distributed too. And the green and the vegetables. Leave it at high. Come to leave it at high for about 6 minutes, okay? As it does that, I'm going to put some saffron, some strings. You have to go crazy. About 6, 7, maybe 8 minutes later, I'm going to reduce the heat to medium. I got some oranges. I'm going to put some slices now. And I'm going to let it cook, okay? The stock has evaporated, most of it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some aluminum foil. Because I want this steam and the aromas to remain within the rice. Let it go for about 4 or 5 minutes, okay? Look at this baby. Look at this baby. Nice tinta color is what it means. Nice.